In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use projects in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn the feature on and create your first project so you can start tracking income, expenses, and profitability by job or client. First, we need to enable the Projects feature in your QuickBooks Online account. Look up to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is where most of your main settings live. From the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This will open a new window with several tabs running down the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on the Advanced tab. This area controls a lot of your deeper accounting preferences, and Projects is one of them. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Projects. On the right, you'll see a toggle switch. If Projects is currently off, click that toggle to turn it on. This tells QuickBooks that you want to start grouping transactions by project, which is especially helpful if you work on specific jobs, engagements, or campaigns for your customers. Once you've turned the toggle on, make sure you click Save so that your change is recorded. After that, click Done to close out of the Settings window and return to your main dashboard. At this point, the Projects feature is now active in your company file. Now let's create a new project. Look over to the left-hand menu and find the option that says Projects. Click on that. If this is your very first time using Projects, you might see a button that says Start a Project. Otherwise, you'll see New Project. Either way, click that button to begin setting things up. A project setup window will appear. Start by entering a clear project name. Choose something that makes sense at a glance, like the client name plus the type of work you're doing. Next, choose a customer from the drop-down list. This links the project to a specific customer in your QuickBooks file, which is important if you want to invoice them or track profitability by client. You'll also see optional fields for a start date and an end date. Filling these in can help you monitor timelines and see how long a job actually takes. You can also select a project status, such as in progress or completed, so you can quickly see where each job stands. There's a notes field as well, where you can add any relevant details you want to remember about this project. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your new project is now created and ready for you to start adding transactions, tracking costs, and monitoring profitability over time.